JustMarkets is one of the bigger brokers we've reviewed. They have been around for over 13 years, run 5 global entities, and they have got a few hundred people behind the brand. But bigger doesn't always mean better. So the real question is, does JustMarkets actually earn that reputation once you start trading? Hi, I'm Andy from FXEmpire.com, and our team of traders and analysts has more than 15 years of experience reviewing brokers, digging into hidden costs and spotting red flags. So we know what makes a broker worth your time and which ones to avoid. In this review, we will keep it practical. We're going to look at how safe JustMarkets is, what it really costs to trade there, and whether the markets and tools actually fit your style. We'll also do a hands-on walkthrough of the platforms and point out what stands out and where the trade-offs are. By the end of this, you will know who JustMarkets is best for and who might want to keep looking. So let's start with the most important question. Can you trust JustMarkets with your money? JustMarkets was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Cyprus. They currently operate through 5 global entities. 2 of them are backed by top-tier regulators, in Cyprus through CySEC and in South Africa through the FSCA. The other 3 are regulated by lower-tier authorities in Mauritius, the Seychelles, and the British Virgin Isles. So what does this actually mean for you? They have been around for over 13 years, which is always a good sign. It usually means they're doing at least something right. They're also a fairly large company with over 500 employees worldwide, and when we went through their legal docs, they were clear and easy to follow, which is exactly what you want to see. When it comes to protection, the main basics are there. First, they keep client money in segregated accounts so that it is held separately from the broker's own funds. You also get negative balance protection across their entities, which means your account shouldn't drop below zero if the market moves sharply against you. Where it changes is compensation coverage, and that depends on the entity. If you're in the EU and you're trading under their CySEC entity, you get access to the Investor Compensation Fund. That can cover you up to 20,000 euros if the broker ever runs into trouble. Overall, JustMarkets comes across as a stable and transparent broker. Just keep in mind that protection can vary depending on which entity you sign up with. That is why we gave them 4.1 out of 5 in the trust category. Now, the part most traders ask about first, the trading costs. JustMarkets offers 3 retail account types, 2 spread-based accounts, and 1 raw spread account that charges a commission. They also offer a cent account, which can be useful for testing algorithmic strategies in a lower risk environment. To get a fair read, we checked spreads on their standard commission-free account during the busiest hours of the London and New York sessions. Let's look at the numbers in the table. Honestly, pricing looks really competitive here. On major Forex pairs, spreads were excellent, several times better than the industry average. Commodities, US indices, US stock CFDs, and even crypto were also strong. The only exception was DAX, the major German index. That one was much pricier than what we typically see. But one thing that really stood out is that JustMarkets offers swap-free trading on most asset classes, and you don't need to open a separate Islamic account to get it. It covers most of the popular instruments, although there are some exceptions, like Brent oil, so it's worth double-checking their contract specs page before you trade. For swing traders who hold positions for multiple days, that's a meaningful cost saving compared to most brokers. Non-trading fees are clean. No deposit or withdrawal fees. Just keep in mind that there's a $5 per month inactivity fee if your account stays unused for 150 days. Overall, JustMarkets offers competitive trading and non-trading fees, especially well suited to day traders and swing traders, and compared to our reviews from over a year ago, they've clearly improved. Spreads have come down across most asset classes. We gave them 4.4 out of 5 in the fees category. Next, let's look at the platforms and tools. What do you really get, and is it enough for your style of trading? JustMarkets keeps the platform setup pretty straightforward. You get the standard MetaTrader options MT4 and MT5 plus their own proprietary mobile app. If you're an experienced trader, MT4 and MT5 on desktop are the way to go. That's where you get the full control, deep customization, and the best setup for running expert advisors. If you prefer something simpler, the web versions are easy to navigate and beginner friendly. You've got the basics for charting and placing trades, but they're more limited than the desktop platforms. JustMarkets also has its own mobile trading app, and it's actually a nice extra. The charts are powered by TradingView, so they look clean and feel smooth, and you get built-in market news and research inside the app. We created a walkthrough of it so that you can check it out in a second. That said, there are a couple of limitations. There's no proprietary web platform, and you can't trade through other popular platforms like TradingView itself or CTrader. Now let's jump into the walkthrough so that you can see the platform experience for yourself. Here's the JustMarkets JustMarkets MT5 Desktop platform. On the left, you've got the Market Watch tab where you can browse all the instruments available to trade across a range of asset classes. You can also open multiple charts on the same screen, or just maximize one chart if you prefer a cleaner view. There are also plenty of timeframes to choose from, and one of the big advantages MT5 has over MT4 is the extra timeframe options, so you're not limited to the standard ones. For example, you can use less common options like 3-minute and 4-minute charts, as well as 3-hour and 6-hour charts. For charting, you've got the usual drawing tools at the top, things like trend lines and horizontal lines, so it's easy to mark up your charts. Under the Indicators tab, you'll also find a wide selection of built-in indicators, including popular trend indicators and oscillators, and you can add them with just a click. Unfortunately, JustMarkets doesn't come with extra MetaTrader plugins built in, but you can still use the marketplace to download custom indicators and strategies if you want to expand your setup. Placing a trade is very easy. You can click New Order or use one-click trading. Just hit buy or sell and the trade opens right away. From there, you can manage the position right on the chart by dragging your stop loss and take profit levels, or you can adjust everything from the trade ticket at the bottom. Closing a trade's just as easy. Right-click and choose Close Position, or click the X next to the trade to close it immediately. That's especially handy if you're trading on shorter time frames and want to move quickly. Overall, MT5 gives you a solid set of tools for both active, short-term trading and more advanced algorithmic trading. Now, let's switch over to the JustMarkets mobile app. First, head to the Markets tab. This is where you can browse everything you can trade. It's organized into categories like popular, top movers, metals, and crypto CFDs. You can also scroll to explore the rest of the available asset classes. If you tap on an instrument, say Euro US dollar, the chart opens up and it's powered by TradingView. So you can get all the usual charting tools. You can switch between different timeframes, you can change the chart type, and you've got a big selection of indicators plus drawing tools so that you can add things like trend lines and horizontal levels. Down at the bottom, there's also a sentiment indicator. It shows you how many JustMarkets traders are currently long or short on that market. When you're ready to trade, it's very straightforward. Just tap buy or sell. For example, if you tap buy, you can place a market order or set a pending order. Hit confirm buy and the trade opens right away. And you can see your P&L here as well. One feature I really like is that you can trade directly from the chart. If you want to close the position, you can do that from here. Just tap the X and it closes immediately. You don't have to jump between screens to manage things. At the bottom, you'll also find the Insights tab. That's where you can check upcoming news, events, and updates that might impact the markets. Overall, the JustMarkets mobile app is easy to navigate and feels very smooth to use. It's beginner friendly, but it still gives you solid charting tools, and it is especially nice if you want to manage trades quickly while you're on the go. All in all, JustMarkets covers the main platforms you'd expect, but there aren't many extra tools beyond the basics. That's why we gave them 4.2 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Finally, what can you actually trade on JustMarkets? Well, let's find out. And I'll flag the one gap that rules this broker out for a specific type of trader. JustMarkets offers over 266 CFDs, including 60 Forex pairs, 12 commodities, 13 indices, 21 cryptocurrencies, and 161 shares. Compared to what we typically see, Forex pairs and indices are about average. Commodities and cryptos are a bit stronger. Now, here's the gap I mentioned. This is CFDs only, so you won't find traditional portfolio instruments like ETFs or bonds here. You can hold CFDs longer term though, but if you're building a classic long-term portfolio, JustMarkets probably isn't the best fit. All in all, we gave them 4 out of 5 in the tradable instruments category. So the big question, is JustMarkets the right broker for you? Before we break down the pros and cons, I have a quick question. How many of you are looking for your very first broker, and how many are looking to switch because of high fees elsewhere? Drop a new or switching in the comments because it helps us decide which specific features to focus on in our upcoming reviews. Now, let's go over the key pros and cons. On the plus side, JustMarkets operates through 5 global entities, all regulated and 2 overseen by top-tier authorities. They offer 4 account types, including a raw spread account, commission-free options, and a cent account for those starting out with smaller position sizes. And with the exception of the standard cent account, you get swap-free overnight trading on most instruments, which is pretty unusual. Spreads are competitive across a lot of asset classes. We saw Euro US dollar spreads as low as 0.2 pips, about 5 times tighter than the industry average. On platforms, you get MT4 and MT5, plus their custom mobile app with TradingView powered charts, sentiment indicators, and copy trading built in. They also published practical market reviews and forecasts with detailed technical analysis. Support is 24/7 via chat, phone, email, and multiple messaging platforms. And the minimum deposit is just $10, one of the lowest in the industry. On the downside, the lineup is a bit more limited than some competitors, though you still have access to all the most popular instruments and a wide range of minor and exotic pairs. Education's also pretty light. You get articles, but there aren't webinars or structured courses to follow. Pricing is another mixed point. Some markets look great, but spreads are well above industry benchmarks on things like the DAX and the US stock CFDs. And finally, protections aren't the same everywhere. Not all regions have access to a compensation scheme. So with all that in mind, who is JustMarkets best suited for? JustMarkets can be a great fit for casual traders thanks to mostly competitive spreads, solid market research, and that very low $10 minimum deposit. It can also work well for social and copy traders since you can copy trade through MT4 and through the broker's own mobile app. If you use automation, JustMarkets ticks the right boxes too. You can run expert advisors on MT4 and MT5, and the cent account is handy for testing strategies with smaller position sizes. And if you're a swing trader, the swap-free setup on most instruments is a big plus. That's especially helpful if you hold trades overnight, although the overall market selection could be broader. For day traders and scalpers, tight Forex spreads and MetaTrader's fast workflow can help. Just keep in mind, MetaTrader on mobile is fairly basic and charting can feel a bit clunky compared to more modern platforms. It's also a decent option for news traders thanks to the broker's own market research and daily news breakdowns. However, it is not a great fit for long-term investing. There are no real assets here, it is purely a CFD platform. In our evaluation, we gave JustMarkets an overall score of 4.3 out of 5. It's an above average broker that works especially well for Forex and swing traders. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right hand corner to head straight to their site for the best offer available in your region. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth broker reviews. And while you're at it, check out this video we picked for you. It might be just what you're looking for.